out here, Arizona. Vlog number 1, technically vlog number 2 from the last time. Just out here living it, you know. I feel like we get cheated out living in the Midwest with it being all cold, nasty, wet, rainy, snow, all that. Not out here. It's so nice. Got my setup, got the laptop, got the switch. I mean, what else do I need? Nothing else is needed, you know. I got a pretty dang setup out here, big screen. Brought my little Nintendo with. That's how I get down. They had the big boy side by side. Check that out. Little TBT throwback for y'all. It's crazy. It's funny because the small one hold more games too, so it's like, what's up? Just out here living it, you know what I'm saying? Posted up in here. Got the shy throwback with the Cubs wall. Got the Muhammad Ali. Got this bed. That view out here. Just everyday living. Vlogging. No flex zone. No flex zone. Just out here everyday trill. Shit's so nice. I don't know. I'm not even gonna come back. I'm gonna chill out here. Fuck it. Everyday living though. AZ life. Banging. So, pretty much where we're at. I'm gonna be stationed out here, you know, next couple weeks, doing our thing. Not really in a hurry to get back. You know, I love living out in Illinois, but shit, Arizona, it's just a better, overall, better whole time, better experience, better weather, I mean, better people. It's just better in general. So, I don't know, it's probably gonna be a short vlog. I'm gonna go do some things with my homie, Wojick. Me and him probably go out to the desert, go squeeze some triggers for a little bit, maybe go on a hike, something like that. Check back with y'all later. Peace. Ready? Going live. Yeah, I'm going for that bottom clay. Right. High? Right. Okay. Ah, damn.
Got it. Keep going.
I was holding way left on that. So I think we're in though now. Will we go back to this top target?
Top target, go. Oh yeah.
Is that bullseye?
No, just a little to the right and left. Just less of the bullseye. Let's go. Low. Well, you're hitting it. You're on. Alright, I don't need a spot for you anymore. I'm good. You're good.
Alright, Mike.